Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Katni location. It is from Madhya Pradesh. So let us discuss one by one in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening for medical representative from Mascot Health Services Private Limited. So to eligible for this position, you must have B.Pharm or BSc qualifications with minimum 6 months of work experience as a medical representative. And coming to the CTC, it will be 2 to 4 lakhs per annum. So if you are eligible for this job role, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, Paytm is hiring for field sales executives for their QR payments business from channel sales, B2C distribution and FMCG industries will be preferred, and you must have graduation with minimum 1 year of work experience. Coming to the CTC, it will be 2.4 lakhs per annum and along with incentives and conveyance. If you are eligible for this position, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, there is a job opening for business development executive from GenNext India Private Limited. So it is a banking industry. So to eligible for this position, you must have any graduation with more than 1 year of work experience. And coming to the job responsibilities, like sourcing new customers for liabilities, banking product in an open market, and the candidate must have skill sets like sales development, CASA sourcing, and field sales. So if you are eligible, you can share your resume to the provided mail ID. Next one, Paytm is hiring for territory sales in charge and team lead positions for sales. So these are on-roll jobs. So they are hiring for QR payments business. The candidates from channel sales, fintech, B2C, distribution and FMCG will be preferred, and the candidate must have MBA or equivalent qualifications with 4 to 6 years of work experience. And coming to the CTC, it will be as per your current CTC. So if you are eligible for any of the job position, you can apply by the link given below in the description box, or else it is also mentioned here, you please check once.
That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.